Alright guys, Frank 450 Sports. So I am live with break 1864. So this is a single box break of Heroes and Prospect. It's 1884, sorry. So here's the event. So without further ado, let's do a random right away. All the names are there. We're gonna random 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So Marc-André Leblanc on top, Matthew David Smith at last. So let's copy paste this list and put it in directly in the event. Alright, so there we go. It's posted. So you can go see the order in the event. So let's see the order. First on top is going to be Marc-André Leblanc. Then we're going to add second card to Mario Giroux. Then third card to Vince Blount. Fourth card to Vince Blount also. Then we're going to have Chris West. We're going to have also Chris West. Then we're going to have Christopher Durant-McKenzie. We're going to have Randy Blank. Then Christopher Durant-McKenzie. Then we're going to have Gary Slayer. Then we're going to have Coco Pou. Then we're going to have Mario Giroux, Coco Pou, Wilson Myers, and Matthew David Smith. There you go. The order is done. With the knife. So, oh guys, we have a case break of ice tonight on eBay. Be sure to go get it. Alright. Get this out of here. Alright, so for the first card, it goes to Marc-André Leblanc. It's an Heroes and Prospect autograph of Jagger White. Jagger White. Second card goes to Mario Giroux. We have an autograph of Michael Spacek. Is it Yaroslav Spacek's sons? Then afterwards, we have Vince Blount. This is a first round in Prospect. This is pretty good. Owen Tippett. Should be drafted in the first round. Early pick. Then Vince Blount again. Brady Gilmore. Is it the Gilmore son? Then we have Chris West with Nicolas Ag, Heroes and Prospect. Then Chris West again. Jordan Kiro. Bloop autograph. Then Christopher Durant-McKenzie. We have a numbered card of only 3 copies of Adam Ruzicka. This is card number 2 out of 3. Then we have a Randy Blank autograph of Nathan Dunkley. Then we have for Christopher Durant-McKenzie, Carter Art autograph. Then Gary Slayer. We have Russia, Heroes and Prospect International Ice, Daniel Vertiwai. Then for Coco Pou, we have number 25, Heroes and Prospect Eichel Tower autograph, Jack Eichel. Mario Giroux, we have a reflection, 25 out of 25. Brent Burns and Brian Hatcher. Then for Coco Pou, once again, we have a nice patch. 15 out of 15 for the New Jersey Devils, Marty Brodeur. 3-color patch. Well, 2 color in the patch, 1 color in the jersey. Then for Will Summers, we have a jersey number 15 of Matt Sundin. And the last hit for Matthew David Smith is a reflection, Heroes and Prospect. Chicago and Toronto, Mitch Marner and Patrick Kane. So there it is for 1884. That is all. Thank you very much, guys, and hope to see you tonight with Ice.